I do enjoy the aspect of being able to drive by something and be like, hey, I'd make that.
Folks that have that ability to be able to tinker with stuff and desire to tinker with stuff. Also folks that just want to learn. The employers in the area, there's a very large workage shortage for talent.
You need to have a skilled force. It's very hard to get people with baseline knowledge.
Not only companies within the greater Grand Rapids and Holland area, but all over the world are looking for talented people in plastics right now. They do not have enough, they can't find enough. There's jobs waiting.
We love it if you have experience and a degree.
It is one thing to read it in a book, but it's another thing to take what you have learned in that book and go out and see it in real life and practice and make those mistakes in the lab environment.
They get into the controllers, they get into the materials.
Using GRCC as a company, it was one of those things where they have injection molding machines there. So having our people go there, they can focus in on the general learning. It also gives them an outer perspective. They see other ways and they see there is a science to what we do. It's a little bit more flexible for them to make those mistakes, but it's not going to end the world.
GRCC got me to the point to understand and learn how to process a bit better.
In our program, they not only have the hands-on approach while they're working in the lab, but they do take courses looking at mold design, part design, having a broader spectrum. What they end up finding is that there are so many jobs that aren't just on the manufacturing floor, but throughout the whole industry.
They are able to come here and receive an education and get promotions at work, receive higher pay grades, things like that from building their plastics career and adding on to what they already know.
When they go to those classes, it kind of opens their eyes and they're like, this isn't that bad. This applies to my life.